Namaskar, Adab. You are watching Bharat Express 24. I am Mr. Mohammad Islamuddin, reporter, and today we would like to talk Mr. Amiruddin. He is the manager of Royal Residency and Royal Resident Hotel. Today we want to ask that how many customers are coming. Taj Mahal and many other monuments has been opened, and people are coming or not, and what will be effect because of the Omicron is about to come. Sir, welcome. Sir, you are manager. Can you tell me that after the opening the all types of monuments, which types of business is coming?
Only the domestic we are getting here, and actually we are waiting for the international flights. Until unless the international flights and visa will not be started, it is not possible to come all the tourists. But even before the Omicron, as they has started the Omicron new virus, so it's a very affected. Every day getting a cancellation from the other states.
Sir, we have heard that our government is saying that we are just like thinking about the tourism department. So, are you satisfied or not?
No, I am satisfied, but all the departments are also helpless due to new variants, Omicron, because the other countries they have somewhere lockdown also, and even our government had decided to start the flights from the 1st of December, but due to the Omicron they have stopped again, and they have given the date for 15. I think it's not possible from the 15 also, as it is increasing.
Somebody said to that only for they are making the fool. There is no need of the virus and only making the fool for the public. They want to disaster to our country. So, what do you have to say about it?
No, you can't say it's making the fool, because there is many countries which is affected right now, and I think there's lots of people have died in India also. So we must be fear, and there is a fairness that's why even the domestic people are also not coming.
Because of the corona, which types of just affected in your hotel industries?
It was a very big affected the hotel industry, even all the not hotel industry, all the tourism industry we can say, like a guide, Raja Rickshawala, like a emporium, all the which is the related to the tourism, all are the affected. I think it was the good started from the last month, from the November, but after the December, in the first week of December, it has started the Omicron. We have lots of cancellation for the hotels and guides also.
So, okay, sir, tell me then how many your customers approximately they are coming daily?
Actually, in these days, due to the Salag of the Maris Pass, there is a little bit tourist still who's coming. Otherwise, I think the Salag is up to 15th of December. After that, I think that would be finished, and in the same condition like in Corona.
So you people want to raise your voice for the government that you are facing a lot of circumstances because of the Omicron, because of the Corona, and you know that you are a manager. A lot of people they are wondering here and then, and just they are surviving because of the all types of monuments. Even then they are not getting it. So how they will be survive their life?
Many times, and we had and our association had tried to talk to the governments and given all the interviews and like you can call dharna pradarsan everything, but protest. But we didn't get any relief from the government. Even the hoteliers, didn't get any relief, like house taxes, the property taxes, water taxes, even the excise fees, even the electric bills, the fixed charges.
Any types of concession government didn't give it to you?
Not at all. We haven't get any from any department. The hoteliers or the tourism industry get any benefits from that.
So, sir, last question. You tell me that if a international flight is not about to start, so what will be effect in your all types of department?
Actually, I hope from this month, it is not possible to start. Maybe it will be start from the 2022, but the same condition will be there as the last 6 or 7 months was there.
You know that election is about to come, so it will be affect something or not?
It will be affected. Yeah, up to the election also, it will be affected. but God knows what is about to
What will
do.
be happening? Thank you so much.
It's pleasure.
He was the Mr. Amiruddin. He is the manager of the Royal Resident and Royal Residency Hotel. He said to our channel that if international flights is not about to start, it will be effect bad for the travel agency and all types of tourism department also. He said to our channels and to me that he was talking with the reporter Muhammad Islamuddin. He said that we several times we have protested and we have given memorandum, and sometimes we sent the all types of email by mail, by whatever we can do, we did it, but government didn't listen anything to us. What will be effect if international flights are not coming? How many days and how they will be surprised? They will survive their life. We want to show, and you can see